Hi! In front of me is HONOR X7 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. After that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. After that, choose Open. Now from this app you can learn all the informations about your HONOR's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!